When we were preparing this draft for embroidery, we pricked and pounced the design in the usual way and then drew it in with a gel pen. However, as the wall had a quite high pile, the gel pen was not transferring well, and you can see that the draft left behind is not that clear and would likely lead to mistakes within the embroidery. So our pro tip for you today, should you find yourself in the same conundrum, is to grab yourself a little paint and paint in your draft instead. Watercolours and gouache are great alternatives for this, as they aren't too heavy and can be easily removed if necessary. Make your paint selection based on what will show up well against your fabric, but be subtle against your finished design, and mix yourself a little paint with a sparing amount of water. I like mine to be quite concentrated so that I can use it sparingly, dotting my way around the pounce marks, and like to mix myself a subtle colour, here using mustard tones as I will be embroidering in gold. The paint sits on the surface like the gel pen would, but transfers much better in this case, and so once left to dry will provide a nice clear draft. Try to use your smallest paintbrush. You are looking to be as light and precise as possible, so opt for tiny touches of the tip to the fabric and save your strokes for your next masterpiece instead. If you've enjoyed this tip, please think about checking out the rest of the Pro Tips playlist and subscribing to the channel to be the first to know when we release a new video. Thanks for watching!